From this by chance.
Nancy Decker has a broken heel, rattled nerves, and doctor's orders to slow down. But she's here.
I should be home. I should have multiple injuries. I shouldn't be here.
2 weeks ago, Decker, a mother and grandmother, was trapped inside her car at the toll plaza at Wayside. She had lost control, crashed, the car flipped, and caught fire. As eyewitnesses waited for help, one man jumped on top, smashed out the window with a fire extinguisher, and with help pulled her to safety. And then he was gone.
He's my guardian angel. He really is.
Ever since she says she has known who put him there.
I have a hero because put him there.
But she has wondered who he is.
I just love to sit and visit with him.
Mitchell Corbin has wondered about that day, too.
Everything just clicked in my mind.
Corbin was on his way to the airport to catch a flight when he came upon the crash.
I saw a lady frantically screaming that, she's still in there, she's still in there.
Instead of waiting, he took control and says his military training took over.
Figured out that there was a big problem going on and take the steps to fix it.
You see, Corbin is Staff Sergeant Corbin and a member of the 147th Reconnaissance Wing of the Texas Air National Guard at Ellington. He has endured hours of military response training, and on June 1st, it worked.
I was just happy that everything turned out all right and everyone was safe.
Seconds after Decker was pulled to safety, the car was engulfed in flames. Corbin, the right person with the right tools. Decker, a woman of strong faith and much gratitude.
He didn't give up, and I'm very thankful. Very thankful. Because he knew what to do, and he did it.